In this demonstration, we're going to look at navigating the Word 2019 user interface. In order to do that, we are going to open up a document here. So I've got File Explorer open. These are the data files that come with the course. Notice Building with Heart is the name of the file. It's got the Word icon, and it's got a .docx file extension. Okay. Also, if you expand this, it says Microsoft Word document. docx is the file extension that is used by default with Word 2019. It's associated with the Word application. That's why you have the Word icon. And that's also why if you double click it, it will open up Word automatically. All right. And so, that's what you just need to focus on. Your operating system may not be showing those little 4-character file extensions. That's no big deal. If you've got the Word icon, then that means it's associated with that document type. All right. So we will wait for this to get opened up, and then we're going to just kind of go through the major components. Protected view is a default, so if you want to make changes, you just need to click on Enable Editing. I'm not actually going to make any changes to this, but we'll still put that there. All right, so let's discuss the window. The application window at the top left, you have your quick access toolbar and the ability to add additional things to the quick access toolbar. In the middle here we have the title, so Building with Heart.docx, saved to this PC. My name, the registered owner of Word. We have the ribbon display options. Okay, you can auto hide, show tabs and commands, and then you have your minimize, your restore down, and your close. Okay, minimize will minimize it to the taskbar. Restore down just puts it in a smaller window, and then maximize, and then close will actually close the document and close Word. Now beneath that, we have the ribbon. Okay, so the ribbon is made up of tabs: Home, Insert, Design, Layout. Those are all tabs. Each tab has a set of commands in a command group, so clipboard, font, paragraph, and then these are individual commands. If you move your mouse over them, it'll pop up a screen tip. It'll tell you what it does. It'll also tell you if there's a keyboard shortcut associated with that. Sometimes you don't have all the options. You have the dialog box launchers here. If you click on that, it will launch an extra dialog box that will give you all of, in this case, the font capabilities. As we go over, we've got paragraph, we've got styles, editing voice, but again, you have multiple tabs here. Some of these tabs we'll get to in later courses just because of what they are dealing with. Other tabs we'll deal with here. If you do want to, you have the tell me what you want to do. So I could say, let's see, insert a chart. I type insert chart and notice it comes up with add a chart. Now that's not help, that's the actual command itself. So that's just so you don't have to go hunting through the ribbon. We also have the ability to minimize the ribbon if you'd like. If you minimize it, then you just have to move up and select a tab. It will maximize it again and then just click the pin and that'll place it there. Okay, you've got your ruler on the left, you've got your ruler on the top. Those are showing tab indents. Down here we have the status bar. It shows me the current page, number of words, language that I'm in, layouts, various layouts are over here, and then the zoom buttons. Now, if you really want to adjust the view, the best place is the View tab. Okay, the draft view is a good view if I'm just drafting information. But then I want to maybe know what it looks like if I print it, what is it going to look like if I view it on a web page. And then a reading mode is a full screen mode that allows you just to kind of select as you scroll through. Okay, just keep in mind that those views are there. Let's get out of this. Oh, sorry, that's full screen. I didn't mean to do that. Close the whole thing. Okay. All right, we'll open that back up again. Okay, so back to view, and then you're just going to want to change. I just basically want to get out of reading view, but notice it's gone. Okay, so you can still view navigation pane and add that in. If it's gone, just go down here. You have these controls, so if you just want to switch to print layout, back to print layout, that's fine. Print layout is the default. The zoom button, so you can zoom in and out here. That's an easy way of doing that. That's also on the View tab. You do have zoom here. Okay, so there's going to be a couple different places. If you don't know where it is, you can simply go up here and type in zoom. Got to spell it right. And then you'll have the different options. Okay, so there's zoom, and that'll take me to it, and then I can just specify exactly what I want to do. So that's a quick way of finding commands. Another way of navigating through the ribbon would be to click on a ribbon tab and then scroll up and down with your mouse wheel. Now you can't see me doing that, but obviously I'm just moving the mouse wheel down and it's cycling through the tabs. And I honestly don't know that I've ever done that, but there are 3 or 4 different ways to do everything. All right, so zoom in, zoom out, your scroll arrows here, or your scroll bar. There might be a vertical, or there is a vertical scroll bar. There might be a horizontal one as well. Okay, in addition to doing that, you can just select and use the page up, page down buttons on the keyboard. That'll help you navigate. You can view the navigation pane. So if you view the navigation pane on the left, then you're going to be seeing different headings. Now these headings have to be added in as a heading, but that's another way that you can navigate through the document. And in addition to that, you can use search to navigate through the document. Okay, so I can open up the navigation pane and click search, and then just type in text, hit enter, and then notice it's going to show me, in this case, headings, but if you want to go pages, you can, or better, results. So then it highlights it, and you can select an individual result, and it will take you right to that page. All right. So those are the various ways that you can navigate through a Word document, in addition to just kind of getting us familiar with the overall Word user interface.